In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI for math problems. If you want help with math and you'd like more than just a final answer, Claude can be a very useful tool. It can help you work through a problem, understand the method, and learn the reasoning behind each step. That makes it especially helpful for homework practice, test preparation, or simply building confidence with topics that feel confusing at first. To get started, open Claude and type your math problem directly into the chat. Keep your prompt clear and specific so Claude knows exactly what you want help with. For example, you could type solve 3x plus 7 equals 22 and explain every step. This works well because you are not only giving the equation, but also telling Claude how you want the response presented. Once you send the prompt, Claude will usually show you both the method and the answer. As you read through the explanation, pay attention to how each step connects to the next. This is important because the real value is not just getting the solution, but understanding why that solution makes sense. If the explanation feels too advanced or too brief, you can always rephrase your request and ask for a simpler version. A great way to make Claude more helpful is to ask it to teach you, instead of only asking it to solve the problem. Rather than focusing only on the final answer, try using a prompt like, "Teach me how to solve this problem step by step." Explain it like I'm a beginner. This encourages Claude to slow down, break the process into smaller parts, and use simpler language that is easier to follow. This approach is especially useful if you're learning a new math concept for the first time. It can help you understand the rules behind the problem instead of just copying the result. If you're practicing on your own, it's also a good idea to try solving the problem yourself first, then compare your work with Claude's explanation. That way, you can spot mistakes, strengthen your process, and build a better understanding over time. The key is to be specific about the kind of help you want. When you ask clearly, Claude can become more like a tutor and less like a calculator. Use it to guide your learning, and you'll get much more value from each problem you enter.